Hello, bachas. How are you all? I hope everybody is fit and fine. Yes. So today we will start new chapter of history, that is chapter 2, socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. Okay. So here in French Revolution we learned that society is changing, isn't it? In Europe and Asia, idea of individual rights emerged. Yes, people are discussing about new things. Okay, and that is what to say, children. We are talking about new era where there was no nation state, but now people realize that current situation is not going to last, isn't it? They don't want to become the subject of the monarch. Rather, they want to be an individual. है ना. Many parts of the world started discussing about this. Okay, so Raja Ram Mohan Roy and Derozio, they also discussed about that, and this was spreading like fire. बोलते हैं ना जैसा आग की तरह फैल रहा है. Okay, so this was the development. So in all the societies, some of the other problems were there everywhere, isn't it? And now people are coming with different ideologies and strategies to deal with them, isn't it? So in this way, in 20th century in Europe, socialism was that strategy through which people want to deal with the present situation. Okay, so in this chapter, first we will study about socialism. That is, we can say that this chapter is divided into two topics or two parts, we can say. Okay, so first we will study about the socialism, and then we will study about how from socialism we get to Russian Revolution. Okay, so here liberals, radicals, and conservatives. Okay, now we will discuss about liberals, radicals, and conservatives. So these are the ideologies, that is three kinds of people in Europe. Okay, and they believe in different things, and different in their opinions are there. Okay, all these three kinds of peoples, that is liberals, radicals, and conservatives. Okay, so first we will discuss about liberals. Okay, liberalism. See, liberalism, freedom, isn't it? The word itself make clear. And liberalism, they believe in secular ideas. At the same time, they oppose the dynastic leaders. That is, generation after generation, king is from the same family. Okay, and it is not acceptable, isn't it? That is, एक ही फैमिली से एक एक एरा के बाद, एक एक जनरेशन के बाद, what happens, the king is coming but from the same family only. Okay, at the same time they want elected government also. Okay, that is government by the consent of the people, and they wanted a parliament also. But one problem was there, that is, they were not at all democratic. Okay, they did not believe in moving rights to anybody. Okay, they only thought that voting rights were only with the property owning men. Okay, property owning men, and that also not for women, voting rights. Okay, only for men. So they believe in private property. Okay, this is all about liberals. Okay, they believe in private property, and they want the voting rights with the men only, not for women. Okay, next, this radicals people. Radicals have more problem in radical, that is, in radical means extreme. Okay, the word radical, if you say, it means extreme. Okay, that is, the people were definitely extreme, but I would say that extremeness is in a positive way, we can say like that. Because they want that government where the consent of majority of population were there. Okay, but they want voting rights for women also, not only for men. Like liberals, they want the rights only for men, but radicals, they want the voting rights for women also. But they have the problem with the property of landowners. They said that on the basis of property, society gets divided into oppressor and the oppressed. That is, at the same time, what happened, they don't want the what to say, concentration of property in the hands of only few people. Okay, that is, simple funda was that they want equality. Okay, बच्चास, उनको equality चाहिए था. Yes, now next comes conservatives. Okay, so the word conservatives, that is, these kind of people, they do not want any change. Okay, they opposed radicals and liberal people both, these conservatives. Okay, before French Revolution they were like what to say, एकदम कट्टर conservatives थे. Okay, but after French Revolution, they realized that society can have some changes. Okay, but then also they want slow and gradual. Okay, many attempts were did at revolutions and national transformation, that is in 19th century. These three kind of people did many things, and the chapter is all about this story. Okay, now bachas, industrial society and social change. Okay, at the same time, sorry, when all these political things were going on the entire that is world. Okay, when these everything was going on through this new revolution, and that was it, industrial revolution. Okay, that is these political things were going on throughout the world. Okay, everywhere. Okay, that is through a new revolution. These changes or these political things which was going on, this was through a new revolution, and that new revolution we can say it as industrial revolution. So now social and economic changes were coming up, new industries were coming up, technologies were coming up. Okay, and bachas, what happened is wherever industries are there, people started living around it. Now also it is happening, isn't it? As the industries came, industrial cities also came, right? And railways also expanded, and if in any country railway expands, that means development also grows, है ना, development बढ़ते जा रहा है. And industrial revolution occurred. Okay, but industrial revolution was not a positive change. Okay, the first problem was the society was not ready for industrialization. Okay, that was the first problem, that they are not ready for the industry.